To perform the daily service checks, the machine should be parked on a level surface, with the arm and bucket or attachment cylinder extended and the blade resting on the ground. Although we're showing a 60G, the daily checks and service locations are the same or similar for other John Deere G-Series compact excavators. Keep in mind, you'll need to service your machine at other specified intervals. Refer to your operator's manual for the appropriate periodic maintenance. A periodic maintenance chart is located on the back of the operator's station for reference. The chart includes a diagram of the lubrication points. First, check the bucket teeth for wear and looseness if equipped. Your operator's manual has detailed instructions on tooth replacement procedures. Next, inspect the tracks for damage. Also check looseness and tightness of track sag. A tight track can accelerate track wear significantly. Refer to the operator's manual for detailed instructions on track adjustment procedures. Under the operator's seat, you have access to the control pattern selector valve. This valve enables the operator to choose either excavator or backhoe control patterns. Be sure to check that this valve is turned to the pattern you prefer so the machine operates in the manner you expect. There is a convenient window in the door for an easy site inspection. While not a daily check, this compartment gives you access to the fuses. A decal inside the removable door shows the fuse function. Opening the rear door, you have access to the engine. The engine oil level can be checked with the dipstick. The oil level must be between the two marks. If it's low, add oil through this oil filler. Fill with John Deere Torque Guard Supreme plus 52 oil or an equivalent.
Now, go ahead and pull up the belt.
The belt tension can be checked to the right of the engine. Notice the full guarding for the fan. On smaller G units, the air cleaner is located in the rear compartment. Pinch the dust unloading valve daily. The air cleaner element can be accessed through this cover. To close the door, lift up on the panel and flip the lever on the left to release the stop. Inside the right rear door, you have access to the engine coolant. Check the radiator fluid level on the reservoir bottle. See that it is between the full and low marks. If the level is low, fill with a mixture of soft pure tap or bottled water and a long-life low silicate ethylene glycol-based antifreeze. Be sure to inspect the radiator and hydraulic cooler fins and make sure that they are not full of dirt or debris. To the right is the air intake filter. Squeeze the unloading valve to remove any dirt that may have accumulated. The air filter can be accessed from here. Below is the access to the battery. When removing the batteries, disconnect the ground or negative cables first. This helps prevent damage to electrical components and lessens the potential for sparks that could ignite battery gases. Also here, you can check the fuel water filter separator. As you walk around the right side, you can view the hydraulic sight glass. The level should be between the two red marks. Opening the right front of the compartment, You have access to the fuel fill. Be sure to use ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel. There is a convenient sight tube for a visual check of the fuel level. Behind the fuel fill is the hydraulic oil fill. The daily inspection check should include looking for missing or loose clamps, wiring harnesses or connections, bent hoses or lines, and hoses that rub against each other. Anything that could cause a failure at an inopportune moment. Check for fluid leaks. Hydraulic system leaks must be corrected before the excavator is operated. A grease gun, as well as tools, may be stored inside this toolbox on the side of the cab. Many of the boom and bucket joints require lubrication with good quality grease at periodic intervals. Refer to the operator's manual or the periodic maintenance chart for information regarding the location and service intervals of the lubrication points. A clean operator station goes a long way in promoting safe operation. Be sure to keep things clear of the pedals. If equipped with a cab, be sure to clean the windows so you can see where you're going and who is around you. This concludes the pre-start inspection and daily service of the machine.